Alexa, turn on my S10.
Are you someone who often experiences insomnia? Let's be honest here. You have probably tried every single sleeping remedy out there. For example, counting sheep and tumbling around. A lack of sleep can cause you to fall asleep behind the wheel, lowers your productivity, and not paying attention to what's happening around you. Introducing DOZZ, a sleeping aid device that eases your mind and the key to a good night's sleep. Simply place DOZZ on your forehead, pair the app, and turn on the breathing light. Synchronize your breathing with a breathing light projected onto the ceiling and clear your state of mind. DOZZ releases pulsation that can relieve your tension, relax your mind, and help you fall asleep. The sophisticated design ensures peak efficiency so it can minimize the size of DOZZ. Are you someone who finds it very difficult to bear the sound of snoring? All you need to do is place DOZZ under your chin to stop you from snoring. DOZZ is the ideal device for anyone who wants to relieve stress, and most of all, looking for better sleep. What more is there to think about? Back this project now to get a good night's sleep.
We are Bumruk, and we have created a new category of beach chairs. We have taken the most comfortable aspects of our favorite backpacks and seamlessly integrated a reclining chair. It has a steel internal frame with a self-supporting 5-position hinge, topped with high-density waterproof foam, and covered in quality neoprene, designed to withstand the elements. The backpack is easily removable for easy access while reclining, or to use as your new go-to day pack. We've designed the Bumruk to be your go-to companion for biking or walking to the beach, paddleboarding, hiking, fishing, relaxing at your local park, or even studying on the campus lawn. And it's machine washable. Pretty cool, huh? Well, beach days haven't always been this breezy.
You want to go to the beach?
Dude, there's gotta be a better way.
Well, we're happy to say there finally is. Hi, I'm Scott.
And I'm Will. And for the past 8 months, we've been working our bums off to bring you the Bumruk we dreamed of.
We wanted to revolutionize the beach-going experience.
Take out the hassle and make it breezy.
Exactly, and we have. The Bumruk is finally ready for mass production. All we need is your help to reach our minimum order quantities, and we'll have your bums and Bumruks in no time.
So back us today and help make this a reality. Thank you.
We are here because it is time for the fashion industry to redefine its values, to contribute to the sustainability of our planet, instead of leading to its destruction. Made of recycled car glass, the Rosa bag feels and looks like leather, but it is stronger, durable, and kind to the environment. We made this bag because fashion can stand next to women, to empower us and help us shine. The Rosa bag used to be a car. Each bag is made from 1 pound of recycled car glass that would have otherwise ended up in a landfill. Compared to a traditional leather bag, the Rosa bag saves 9.7 gallons of water and generates 0 methane emissions. It is handmade in Spain. The Rosa bag is an elegant bag with timeless style and maximum wearability. Has a shoulder bag, a backpack, or a crossbody. Dressy enough for work or meetings. Practical enough to fit your laptop and all your work essentials. It has maximum storage capacity and clever organization, so you can carry and easily find all your valuables. The tan color of its inside increases visibility, and each pocket has an intended purpose. This is a bag that adapts to your lifestyle, whatever that may be. You can literally wear it every day, forever. Despite its stylish look, the Rosa bag is far from delicate. Because it's made from recycled car glass, it is tear-proof, stain-proof, and scratch-proof. This bag is named after Rosa Parks, an inspiration for us and for believers of women empowerment. We are a small, female-owned brand, and 10% of our profits go to fund a leadership program for young women in Colombia, my home country. This is your first step to owning fewer, better, long-lasting fashion items. You no longer have to sacrifice durability or style for sustainability. Join us on this journey to redefine fashion and what it can do for us and the world we live in.
We can't underestimate the convenience a card holder can bring to our day-to-day, from daily commutes on public transport to hourly trips in and out of the office. But most solutions don't work well and often don't last very long. Introducing the Orbitkey ID card holder system, a durable and sleek card carry solution with an innovative privacy feature to help you move effortlessly through your day. The ID card holders allow you to easily scan your ID, access, or public transport card while you're on the go, with space for an additional card behind for quick and convenient access. If you're leaving the office and want to hide your ID, the retractor has been specially designed with a built-in privacy feature, so your personal details won't be on show if you don't want them to be. Our custom-made retractor is also more durable and silent compared to standard retractors, made from high-quality materials and built to last for years to come. The Pro model has RFID blocking technology to protect your extra cards from theft, while still allowing you to scan your access card without taking it out. There's also hidden storage for small items, like a key and emergency cache, and it even supports cards in both portrait and landscape orientations. If you're looking for even more flexibility, we've designed a detachable lanyard so you can wear your retractable card holder around your neck instead, whenever you prefer not to clip a retractor to your outfit. The comfortable woven lanyard also has a breakaway release for added safety and convenience. These features all come together in a sleek and minimal design with premium leather finishes, so you can feel proud, professional and confident with an elegant card holder that you can rely on day after day.
Hi, Charles here from Orbitkey. We're so excited to be back here with our 6th campaign. Now last year was a tough one, and I'm sure like many of us, you cannot wait to go back to working and collaborating in the office. We're already seeing people heading back to the office in various parts of the world, and we hope that will be the case for all of us soon. Those days of morning commutes, coffees from your favorite cafe, we want to be there with you when that happens. Our team has been working exceptionally hard to create the best access card solution so you can go about your day feeling more organized. We're so grateful for your support and would love for you to join us on this journey. On behalf of the team at Orbitkey, thank you.